Hi everyone. It's hard to believe that it is almost May. I know I've said this before, but I really do miss seeing you guys. First of all, what I would like for you to do is to please check Infinite Campus to see if you have any missing work. Please try to complete the missing work before the quiz, because I would like to post answer keys so that you can check your work before you take your quiz. Also, please remember to email me if you do any missing work that has a missing or a 0 in Infinite Campus so I can recheck that and change your grade for you. So the assignment that I have for you guys is the Cell Structure and Levels of Organization Review Study Guide. On here, there is Part A, and it says complete the following table with the correct cell part or function. I know it says refer to your textbook for help, but you can look back at your STEMscopedia because that is your textbook. So please fill in the cell part and the function. Your quiz includes the cell parts as well as the functions of those different cell parts or organelles. When you scroll down, it says label each cell part. Your quiz is going to have pictures of the animal and the plant cell. First of all, you will need to know the difference between the animal and the plant cell. Second of all, you will need to be able to label these cell organelles. Down below, it says levels of organization. This is something that is on the Versal. We are not going to quiz over this information until we get to human anatomy. If you would like, you can look at this and attempt this. I'm not so concerned about the levels of organization and what you do or don't know. Down here it says plant versus animal cells, compare and contrast. This is important. You need to just place an X in the correct box, whether it belongs to an animal cell or a plant cell or possibly both cells that you have. On Schoology, I also have a link for a game that is kind of fun. It is called, it's kind of like Chutes and Ladders, but it is with the cells. So I suggest you try playing that and studying the Quizlet to help you for your quiz. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And I'm also planning a Zoom for Silver Days. It will be on Tuesday afternoon at 2, and on Purple Days, it's going to be on Wednesday afternoon at 2. Hopefully, I can figure out how to do a Kahoot or other kind of game with you guys to help you review. And I can also answer any questions that you might have at that time. I truly hope that you can join. Miss you guys.